Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I post multiple videos a week from all different stores. I love to find deals. That is my specialty. I love to find deals when shopping. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today's haul is going to be a Walmart and Marshalls haul. I went shopping yesterday. I've got some good deals, literally. And also, at the end of this video, I'm going to do a mini brands unboxing because I got some mini brands, new ones at Walmart. So stay tuned till the end of this video because you don't want to miss the unboxing. But definitely subscribe. You don't want to miss my videos. So let's jump in to Marshalls first because I only got two things. First, I got this. First off, look at that price. $6. This Steelers beanie because that is my sports team. Go Steelers. Too bad they're not in the playoffs, but that's a whole other story. But anyway, my aunt got us matching Steelers hats. I'm not going to put it on because I just brushed my hair out. Actually, screw it. There's my Steelers hat. So, we got Steelers hat. Then, okay, first off, mini rant. Okay, first off, this bag, like this plain paper bag, is 10 cents now. I never knew that, and he didn't tell me either when he rang me up. I'm thinking, what is it, 10 cents? And then it's a bag. I think that's ridiculous that you have to pay for bags now. That's just my opinion. Comment down below what your opinion is on that. Like, when you get charged for a bag and they don't tell you, like, at least tell me, you know? But anyway, whatever. But I had to get a bag because I got this big blanket, you know what I mean? And I couldn't carry it, like. But anyway, I got this Steelers blanket. This was $10. Bargain. So, it's from the NHL. Like, blanket that says Steelers on it. And Steelers is our football team. So, here we go. Now it's upside down. But yeah, just this big fleece little Steelers blanket for $10. Not bad. Thought that was a good steal. So, like, yeah, Marshalls had a good steal deal going on. But now on to Walmart. First thing, this is so random. My aunt got me this toothpaste because this is a toothpaste I use at her house. And I always ask her what kind I use at her house because I love it. And she found it and she bought it for me. So random, but got some toothpaste. Next up, we got this mug. Look how adorable, and first off, look at it, it says meow. Look how adorable this cat mug, like literally, I'm obsessed. Obviously, we all know I have a black cat, so I had to, and my aunt has literally an orange cat, so literally our cat's, like, adorable. I don't remember how much this was, I think it was like $3.98, but the meow in it, just, I'm obsessed. Did I need another mug? No. But we got that. Then, my hair's just in my mouth. We got this Hello Kitty lip smacker 50-year anniversary. And it is best flavor ever. I don't know what flavor it is though. But look how adorable she is. So we got that. 50-year anniversary. Let's open her up. Because I'm very curious on her. I want to say scent, but we all know I mean flavor. And of course, scissors right here. So let's open her up. Because because it doesn't like say it on the like box what flavor it is. So we're gonna find out. But look how adorable she is. Alright. Oh. I can't put my finger on it, but it is absolutely amazing. But look how adorable she is. So we got that. I'm trying to see, yeah, there's no like scent. Oh, sherbet. Sherbet. Yep, that's exactly what it tastes like, sherbet. So, love that. Then, while we're on the Hello Kitty theme, I had to get some Hello Kitty pants. These are women's sleep pants with pockets, 3X. Like, look how adorable these Hello Kitty pants are. Like, are you kidding me? Like, I had to grab them. Like, there was no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Let's cut this string off. Let's really get a look at her. Because I'm very curious on what these look like. Because obviously, these are kind of hard to, like, really see in the store because wrapped in cardboard and all that. Oh, yeah, these are adorable. Look how cute these are. Oh yeah, I'm obsessed, and these are gonna fit too, I can tell. So, Hello Kitty pants. And they have, I like how they're not like cuffed or like thinged at the ankle, they're like loose. So, Hello Kitty pants, Hello Kitty lip balm. We out here with Hello Kitty, I'm obsessed right now. Okay, next thing I got is this Madden NY little like fanny pack, whatever you want to call it, with this like earphone case. Okay, and look at the bedazzles. And as we know, I just got the Steve Madden like hat and glove set, so I got this to go with it. And now let's just look at the price for a minute. $5. They're redoing the Walmart I was at, and everything is on sale. So $5 for this is an absolute absurd. Okay, here we go. It's a crossbody and fanny pack. There we go. That's what it is. You can wear it two ways. So for $5, I couldn't pass this up. So we snagged her. Yeah, so go to your local Walmart. They're crazy on deals right now. Alright, then we got the Megagross mini brands. These are new. I've never seen these before, ever. And then we got the new Series 5 Foodie mini brands. Where is it? So obviously we all know I'm going to do a unboxing of the Foodie brand. So first we're going to do the Megagross. Yeah, these are so expensive still though. Like, they're so cool to collect. We all know when I was in my mini brand phase, like last year, I forgot. They were giving out these free like gift bags at Walmart yesterday for the pharmacy and eye doctor. I just want to show you guys what I got in it. First off, you get this nice little tote bag. Then you get this little nice water bottle from the eye place. Okay, there's a lot of goodies in here actually. Then you get these little blue sunglasses. Then you get this like eyeball stress ball, which is actually so nice. And that eye is like absurd. Then of course, you know, you get a little vision pen. And then you get an eyeglass cleaner, which are always handy. And then the card from the dude. Little notepad, cute. Okay, then you get this little kit, and it's like collagen, skin, hair, and nail formula pills. So, yeah. Then we got one of these types of water bottles, like, what are these, like protein water bottles or whatever. Got one of these. Then we got this liquid IV hydration multiplier. Interesting. Then you get this really nice little notebook. You get a pen, you take the pen out, and then it opens up into this really nice little notebook, not even gonna lie, for free. I mean, holla. But yeah, super nice little notepad thingy. Then you get a pill case, which is handy for me when I take multiple friggin' medicines a day. But yeah, a very nice pill case. So, I love that. Here's the front. There we go. Then, stress ball, again, which my cat was playing with yesterday. So, cat toy. Then, you get pharmaceutical pen. Then you get the CeraVe Hydrating Foaming Oil Cleanser for dry to very dry skin. Me. Then, lastly, is this little mirror. Also online, you do get a watch kit, but my aunt took it. It's like a little watch kit that big. But you get this little mirror. So, yeah, for free, they were just handing them out. Obviously, I'm going to snag it. And you get this cute little bag. Can't beat it for free. That's all. So, here is the Megagross. First, you get a sticker. It says Star Barf Cafe. Interesting. And you get the little booklet. And then you get the barf slime. Okay, that's interesting. And this little booklet just tells you if, like, you know, you can cross them off as you go. Okay, here we go. Let's see here. Oh, okay, it's like a little, that's cool. It's like a little shopping bag. That's actually so cool. Okay. Just gonna dump them out. Okay, first one, here we go. Let's see, what do we get? Okay, we got the Star Barf coffee. That's actually so funny. So we got her. Next up. Gory toes. That's fun. Okay, they're actual toes. Look at that. So we got the gory toes. That is so iconic. So funny. Okay, and last one. Okay, what is this? Off corn with real cockroach crunch. Ew, that's so gross but so cool. Like, there's all the, like, the cockroaches and stuff. Yuck. Okay, so to sum it up, we got the cockroach corn, the Ritos. Look at the toes, dead. Or the Star Barf coffee, Star Barf coffee sticker, and the barf slime bag. And then you get like the little garbage bag. So that is the Megagross mini brands. That was cool. Now we're moving on to the new Foodie ones. Here's the packet. Alrighty, first one. Okay, my nose is so itchy. We got the Tabasco sauce. Alrighty. Next up. Sometimes these bags are so hard to open. Alrighty, we got the German chocolate layer cake. Oh, that looks so good right now. Not even gonna lie. Okay. Next up. Oh, this is the Prego Garden Chunky Tomato and Garlic Sauce. That's cool. So I got that. Yeah. Ooh, what's this? Oh, Color DI My Designer Highlighters 4-pack. Okay, that's cool. So we got some highlighters. I've never seen that before. Obviously, these are all new. Last one. Yeah, I can never get the damn thing. Oh, there's two. Oh, so we got some Post-it notes, and some moolah. That was cool. Okay, to sum that one up, we got money, Post-it notes, highlighters, Tabasco sauce, some Prego chunky sauce, and some German chocolate cake. So honestly, I'm so pleased with these mini brands because these are new. So I'm so pleased. I definitely want to get more of them. So, but yeah, that is it for this little haul. Subscribe and stay tuned because you don't want to miss my next up Dollar Tree haul and all my other hauls I have coming, hopefully. So yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.